How's it going, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to have a look at a CRKT classic with a massive upgrade. This is the Bamboozled Assisted. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at CRKT for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a look at them vertically side by side so you can compare the diameter of the pen next to the knife. Let's get a rough measurement with the blade closed. So it looks like we got just about 4.5 inches overall length with the blade closed. And now with the blade open. And now back to vertical. And let's get a rough measurement here with the blade open. Looks like we got just about 7 3/4 inches overall length with the blade open. Let's have a look at the top of the knife here so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. So here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and I think with the scales, it's about the same thickness as that. And let's run a ruler across here and see what we get. So including the scales, looks like we got about 7/16 of an inch thick. Let's have a quick look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area, and that is a chunker. Just a little bit thicker than a US nickel. And let's run a ruler across here and see what we get. So that is just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be putting in your pocket. Coming in at 4 ounces flat. And just in case you're wondering what 4 ounces might feel like in your hands or your pocket, well, if you got some AA batteries around the house, it's going to weigh almost as much as 5 of those. Let's have a look at your opening mechanism. It is a flipper lever. Skeletonized. Doesn't take a lot of pounds of pressure to pull this back. And remember, this is spring assisted. This opening action is crazy quick and silky smooth. And when it reaches the top of the opening action, you get a nice clack. Really good feel. Another feature that you can't see but adds to this amazing opening action of this knife is that the blade is pivoting on CRKT's patented IKBS ball bearing system. Your locking mechanism is a liner lock. So if you follow the liner around, you're going to see that this right here, as the blade is opening, is going to swing over and lock into the base of the blade to stop the blade from closing. And all you got to do to close it is move it on the side. Let's have a look up front at this blade. No jimping in the thumb ramp area, just nice, smooth, clean, classic lines all the way up to that fine point. Tonto blade, 2 edges, one in the front, one on the bottom. Small bevel here on the front. Gorgeous black oxide finish. We got a really good size sharpening choil here that's going to make it very easy to sharpen both of these edges from the tip all the way down here to the heel. Pretty much a full flat grind here, guys. Going to be a real strong and easy to maintain blade. Steel type being used is D2. D2 is a high carbon stainless steel with about 12% chromium, so you're going to get decent corrosion resistance, but it's known for its incredible edge retention. And as we're going to see in just a little bit, takes a nice edge. Let's have a closer look at these handles. Nice slim design here. We pretty much have a contemporary take on a classic knife design. Normally you would have wooden handles with a brass bolster, but we've got these really nice textured black G10 scales here. Closer look at the texturing here. And stainless steel bolsters. And this one is all blacked out. And I just want to bring you guys in just a little bit closer to have a look around the knife. Everything is blacked out. Liners, torque screws, pivot. Tactically classic. Let's have a look down inside of the knife here. Full liners. No skeletonization. Now, as far as your grip dynamics go, there is your center of mass right here at the beginning of the bolster. And with a thin blade and a thin handle, Well balanced in the hand. Pretty much a neutral grip here. Just flat on the top, flat on the bottom. Very easy to wrap your 4 fingers around. Man, that thing just wants to cut and go to work. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. There's a profile view there. That should be pretty deep carry. It is not reversible to the other side. And this will be tip-up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you dunk it down in your pocket. Basically looks like a pen, just a little bit there peeking out the top. Alright guys, let's do some cutting with this factory edge, starting off with a little bit of paper. Oh, that's smooth. Yep. One more cut. Slicey. Let's try it on some 550 paracord. Easy. Now, you definitely shouldn't be doing any prying with that leading edge and that point, but you can do a lot of penetrating. Yes. All right, let's close it up with some box cutting. Ooh, can I get one more? Yes, I can. Once again, guys, this has been the newest version of the Bamboozled by CRKT. You still got that classic slim design, but the update on this one again, it's spring assisted. That blade just absolutely flies open, and now you've got a Tonto blade in the front. If you're looking for a great EDC knife with a classic look, this could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from CRKT, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.